morning students, welcome to biology class, and today I am going to show you the activity of how to select the seeds when you are going to be growing in the fields. In the last classes we already discussed about that the selection of seeds is a very important task for the agriculture. Why? Because when you are going at the time of selection of seeds, if you get the bad quality of seeds, it will be a defect on your crop only, and you may get the less yield and you may get the less money also. That's why we need to be check the selection of quality of seeds. And today I am going to be show you one activity how to select the seeds and different types of seeds. Yes. What was the activity? Selection of seeds before sowing in the fields. This was the activity we are going to be to do in this session. And what was the aim of this? Aim to prove that the quality of seeds. Okay, this is the aim of the activity. And what are the materials you needed? Materials. I am just showing you less quantity of seeds, but when you are going for the fields, they will take the big tubs and they will select it the seeds. Just I am going to take beaker, different type of seeds, and water. Yes. And next, the procedure. Now we will see the procedure. Here, I am going to be take the beakers, but you will go for a field. They will take the big tubs. Okay. Why I took 4 beakers? I told you different types of seeds. That's why I take beakers, and I am having less beakers. That's why I took the 2 test tubes. Yes. And now water I took, and next I took some different types of seeds. I will show you the seeds. This is the jowar seeds. Next, paddy seeds. And next, groundnut seeds. Groundnut seeds are Leguminaceae family. Okay. And next, mustard seeds. They will use for fries, no, mustard seeds, and mustard oil also we are using when at the time of cooking, when at the time of pickle. We will use the mustard oil also. And next, these are some seeds of the green gram. Okay, na? These are pulses group. And next, some dal seeds. This is red dal. Okay, and we will use dal and pongal purpose. We will use this. And jowar is the family of grass family. And in Rayalaseema, the jowar is the main ingredient. They will make the rotis. Generally, the farmers, not only the farmers, they will eat. More people in North Indians and South Indians, they are like to eat the jowar rotis only. Our side, jowar is the main ingredient to make the rotis. And this jowar is also containing more carbohydrates and it will use more energy. And next, our generally the normal eatable item is rice. Our South Indian people more are eating rice item only. This jowar, the rotis why we are eating, for dietary purpose we are eating, but the rice is giving more carbohydrates and energy. And next, groundnuts are leguminaceae family. With that groundnuts we will use to get the oil also from these seeds. And next, the mustard oil we will bring, and the pulses, they may are having containing more amount of proteins, and the dal are also having more amount of proteins and fats. Yes. Now I am going to be pour the water in the beakers. Equal amount of water I am going to be poured. Yes. And now I am going to be check first the good, whether this is having good quality or less quality. Before they are sowing the fields, I am going to be check. First I am going to take the jowar. Jowar. Now I am going to be pour the jowar seeds in the beaker A. See children, did you observe any difference that the seeds are floating? Some seeds are floating and some seeds are went to bottom. Yes. Observe here. You observe the differences between. Yes. The floating seeds are less quality seeds. We will be remove the floating seeds and throw it outside. And which seeds went to bottom seeds? That seeds are good weighing seeds and good quality seeds, and they will give the more yield. This is the jowar. We will check the quality like this. And next, I am going to be take the second beaker. Now I am going to be take the groundnuts. Groundnuts, we may call it as a peanuts also. And especially we need to be remember one thing. When we wants to grow in a crop, grow in a plant, the seed coat is must. The seed coat is must. The brown color thing you observe, no, that is the seed coat. The white color is the peas. We can eat. If the seed coat, brown color seed coat is not there, the seed cannot be germinated. That's why the seed coat is must. Now I am going to be pour the groundnuts in a beaker. Yes. Yes children, the groundnut seeds. Did you observe that only the two seeds are floating here? Yes, these are the less quality seeds, and the seeds which will be went to down, these are the good quality seeds. Next, I am going to be show you the third beaker, third good quality, checking the seeds. These are the mustard seeds. Now I am going to pour it in a beaker. Yes. Did you observe any difference in these mustard seeds? The seeds are floated, some seeds, and they are less weight seeds, and they are not give them, and the seeds are not germinated. The seeds which went to bottom, that seeds are only the good quality seeds. This is the mustard seeds. And next, the fourth beaker. Second one, what I do? Groundnut. And the third one, I took the mustard. And the fourth one, I am going to be take the green gram. Now I am going to be take the green gram. Green grams are having which component? More protein component. And yes, these green gram also helpful for to cool your body. Okay. Next, I am pouring the green gram seeds. Yes. You observe the differences. Some seeds are floating and some seeds are went to bottom. This is the difference between the less quality and good quality seeds. This is about the green gram. And next, I am going to be check the paddy seeds. Observe in this test tube, children, I am going to be pour the paddy seeds. These are the paddy, the husk is there for the paddy seeds. Yes. Did you observe that the paddy seeds are floating here? These seeds are less quality seeds and some seeds went to the bottom. These are the good quality seeds. And next, I am going to be take the dal seeds. This was the dal. This is red colored dal, okay? And I am going to be pour into a test tube. Yes. You are seeing the differences? Yes. Some seeds are floated and some seeds are went to bottom. This is the difference between the good quality and less quality checking the seeds. Yes, children. And finally, what we concluded? Conclusion. Less weight seeds are not useful for the crop, and more weight seeds are good for the crop. Yes, more weight seeds are good for the crop. By this experiment, we concluded that the less quality seeds and the good quality seeds. By seeing the experiment, with the help of different types of seeds we took. What type of seeds we took? Jowar, groundnuts, mustard, green gram, paddy, and next dal seeds. There is a seed coat is must when we are going to be sow in a soil. That we need to be must for the sowing into the soil, and also we need to be check the color of the seeds. And when we are going to be sow the seeds, we need to be prepare the soil neatly with the help of water, and after that at a certain depth only we needs to be sow the seeds. Otherwise, if you sow the seeds to very deep to the soil, the plant cannot get the aeration and it cannot be germinated properly. This is I am going to be discussed today's lesson, and today's we discussed about the topic of selection of seeds. Selection of quality of seeds when we are going to be sowing in the fields. In agriculture, they are having acres of land. For that acres of land, they are not going to be take the beakers. They will take a big tubs. Okay. Nowadays, the farmers are not going to be check the quality seeds like this. The government itself, it is checking the quality, not only with the help of weighing experiment. They will check them under the microscope, and they will check the analysis of the proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals by using the analysis method, and they are checking the quality of seeds and they are giving for the farmers to agriculture. Why? Because our country is an agricultural country. This is not nowadays method. This is the traditional method we are using. That's why our government took the major decision. The seeds, good quality seeds only we need to be served to the farmers to get the more yield. Yes, children, today's the activity is completed, and the tomorrow session we will be continue the class. Thank you, children.